So Mickey, not much activity this week, and I'm hearing something about the Santa Claus effect for next week. What's that all about?
So the Santa Claus rally is this rally we seem to get between Christmas and New Year's. And a lot of it's because of as we call it, the first team of traders. They're on vacation. So you get a lot of the second team. You have a lot of hedge funds and mutual funds that want to buy the big name stocks that have been moving. They want to have them on their books to show their clients, hey, we're in the Facebooks and whatever's been moving for the year. You have a lot of bonuses that come out and people want to buy some stocks at the end of the year. And there's not a lot of volume. And a lot of times when there's not a lot of volume, it's easy for the market to go up. And just historically, we get this Santa Claus rally. So, and we're almost at 20,000, which is another reason we could see this little pop up to this 20,000 number on the Dow. And I would not be surprised to see it happen next week.
So after next week, though, I guess the question would be, as the new year is upon us, what are the kind of things that you're on the lookout for in the first half of January?
Well, one of the things that always seems to happen is the first week in January, it's really common to see a little sell-off. And sometimes it could be a little, a big little sell-off where a couple of days of pretty heavy selling. A lot of it's profit taking from some of these funds that have been in these stocks. They want to, take some quick profits. We have earnings coming out the second week. I think they start January 9th with Alcoa always leading off. And, it's the new year. It'll be really interesting. I'm not expecting a lot till, the president gets sworn in and earnings season starts rolling in, but we'll see some volatility. There's going to be a lot going on with the cabinet, people saying things like we've seen lately. And of course, volume will start kicking in again in January.
So I suppose when we talk next time, which will be on the first Friday in January, we'll sort of get at least an idea of some of the tendencies of the new cabinet then, if not actual activities, because it'll be a couple of weeks before they get sworn in.
Correct. And there'll be, there's also talk right now of, it was interesting, Carl Icahn was on CNBC and was talking about, a trade war with China, about if it's ready to, as we say, rip the Band-Aid off now and get it over with, how it could hurt the market short term, which was interesting because he was, is he showing his hand early? And if that's the case, there could be some pain in the market. Or is he just talking? So as we move forward, it'll be interesting to hear what these, all these people are going to have to say. And again, the earnings season is going to be quite important as to what companies are saying moving forward, because there's a lot of optimism in the economy with, President-elect Trump's spending policies and how he's going to help stimulate the economy. So we may hear companies say, moving forward, things look better than they have, which will be very good for the market.
It'll be an interesting 2017, that's for sure. In the meantime, I hope you had a good Christmas. I hope you have a great New Year's coming up. If somebody wants to get in touch with you during this week, though, how can they do so?
They can always email me directly at Mickey, it's Mickey, at Investum, ENVESTIM.com. They can follow us on Facebook, our Investum page. They can always follow us on Twitter. It's Investum1. And then go to our website, www.investum.com.
Mickey, have a great rest of the holidays. Thanks so much for your time. We'll talk to you in the new year.
David, happy holidays, and thank you very much for your time.